Welcome to the Investors Chair podcast with Ivan Sambo. Explore investing, saving, and budgeting in South Africa. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to the Investors Chair podcast with myself, Ivan Sambo. Today's conversation is how exactly can you buy shares of Betway? Why am I talking about this? This comes from a conversation I had with a friend that asked me, Ivan, and said, Ivan, how do I invest into the South African gambling industry because it is growing fast? A lot of people are spending so much money into the gambling sector, and I want to become a shareholder of that industry. And I started thinking in my mind, how exactly can you invest into the gambling industry of South Africa? And in doing so, I asked myself, who is the biggest player in the South African online gambling industry? And Betway was the answer. I think Betway is the most popular one, followed by Hollywood Bet. And I was like, if Betway is the most popular one, how exactly do you invest into shares of Betway? And I got the answer to that. And that's what we're talking about today, guys, on the Investors Chair podcast with Ivan Sambo. So, how do you buy shares of Betway? It is important, as we started podcast, to say you can't buy shares directly of Betway because Betway is a privately owned company, but there is a way around that. What is the way around? Betway is privately owned by a public listed company. What do I mean? I mean that Betway as a private company, it is owned and managed by a publicly listed company that is listed in the New York stock market. And this company that owns Betway, it is called Super Group. Super Group is listed in the New York stock market for around $10.89, right? Which is equivalent to around I think it's around 200 rand per share in the New York inside your stock markets if you look at it in the rand term, right? What does this mean? It means that you, as a South African, can actually buy shares of Super Group for 200 rand and indirectly own shares of Betway, because Betway is privately owned by Super Group, and Super Group is a public listed company, if that makes sense, right? And what is Super Group? Right, Super Group, as I said, is a company that owns a lot of other companies, not only in majority of them actually in the online gambling space, such as Betway, but it is a public listed company. And in terms of their revenue, it has performed very bad in the first 2 quarters of this year, but in the last quarter, the third quarter of 2025, the Super Group company has seen a lot of improvements in their performance. Right, in the third quarter of 2025, they saw a revenue of around 556 million rand. Million dollars, sorry. It's $1 million, not rand. And not only that, guys, but in terms of their performance in the New York stock markets, from January until now, the 4th of December, they're down by 30%. But here's an interesting thing. If you start looking from the third quarter coming up to now, the 4th of December, you see the share price started to improve. More specifically in the month of November, where Super Group, which owns Betway, saw an increase of around 25% in share price in the New York stock market. But this Super Group company, which owns Betway, also has a lot of issues that is facing it, right? Let me just name 5 of those issues that are actually facing Super Group and are becoming a problem for Super Group. The first one is regulatory pressure, right? Online gambling is facing tighter rules in many jurisdictions across the world, where online gambling is either being banned or being restricted in how people can access online gambling, especially in Europe. And now we're seeing a trend coming into Africa, and this is a challenge that's impacting the Super Group share price in the New York stock market. Not only that, guys, but at the same time, and I think as well, that's becoming an issue, is the profitability or concerns around Super Group. People may think by online gambling is booming, that these companies are profitable. Actually, they're not, right? While revenue is strong for Super Group, guys, the margin remains under lots of pressure because Super Group and a lot of gambling companies are spending huge amounts of money in marketing. They are burning money in marketing. They're not yet profitable because because of the huge aggressive marketing tactics they're using to promote their online gambling, right? And I think as well as volatility, their share price has been up and down. It affected the company, and also competition. Betway, guys, is competing with huge giants. You may think of Betway in South Africa, but they are a global company as well. They have huge competitors facing them. Like for example, DraftKings as well. They have a huge competition to Betway throughout the world, right? So those are the few concerns that I have around the company, especially in terms of the fees or the cost of marketing that they're spending. So what's my takeaway around this? I'm against gambling in general. I'm against Betway in general. So I don't think I can give you my honest 2 cents because I am biased in terms of my analysis of Betway and how it operates. But the nice thing that you can buy and invest into Betway, you can invest into Betway using the parent company, buying shares of the parent company stock group via the New York stock market using apps like Stock, EasyEquities, and Shyft now. So if you're using those apps as your brokers, you can buy shares of Super Group, make your own analysis, make your own reason, and reach your own conclusion. Because personally, I don't want to give my 2 cents in terms of this issue because I am biased because of my anti-gambling position or my anti-gambling stance in terms of online gambling in South Africa and the impact it has on our people. So that's it, guys, in terms of this episode. I did tell my friend I'll record the episode, I'll release it, but I will be honest with my viewers in terms of my point of view in terms of online gambling and the shares of Super Group. I hope it goes down. I hope the share price collapse, basically. But besides that, guys, those are my biasness and my emotion speaking and my social will speaking and my moral speaking. But besides that, guys, I hope you're well and you enjoy and have a safe Christmas. Until next time, be safe.